Hi, so it's time for two words that are similar but mean completely different things. So today we have Primorje and we have PRIMIRJE. They are only one letter apart, as you can see. Primorje means seaside, coast. It's made from words pri, pore, which means beside, and more, which means sea, as in sea beside the beach. It's obvious from Primorje, which means seaside. And primirje, primirje, it means temporary peace, armistice, truce, ceasefire. It's made up from words pri and from mir. Mir in Serbian means peace, while in Russian mir means stomach, I think. Here are examples. Sklopili smo primirje. It means we made a deal to temporarily be in peace with each other when the sides are in war or when the sides are in some argument. An example for Primorje, for seaside. Hrvatska ima lepo primorje. Croatia has a beautiful seaside. All of the examples will be in the description, so click on it and read, note down. See you next time.